Hey there, what's up? So this is my very first version of my tutorial videos. So today I want to show you how to get data using OpenStreetMap, and how you can actually have like your basic base layer data for whatever operation you want to do from OpenStreetMap. So I hope this is going to solve a lot of issues in Nigeria, especially where you don't have a lot of data sets out there for you, but some quality amount of work has been done on OpenStreetMap so that you can get something, at least something done for your work. So I'm actually going to be using a sample layer. So the basic things you need for this operation or this task is for you to have a shapefile. If you don't have like a boundary of an area, you could probably create a shapefile. So the best way for you to create your shapefile is for you to create, so you can actually do that from here. That's just like that. So like I was saying, this is my layer. It's basically like a filter of a general layer. So I've done my filter here. So this is it, tested out here, and I'm saying okay. So that's why I have this. If I remove my filter, so if I remove my filter, let's say filter, and remove my filter, do this, you see. So this is like out of Nigeria, so I just need this state. The best way for me to draw it and just exporting is for me to use my filter to do that. So that is it. So for you to do this, you actually on QGIS, you really do not need any plugin to do it. So you come to vector, that's so you have an OpenStreetMap menu. So download data, that's like the very first thing. So this actually is the place where you can make a lot of parameters. You can actually fill in your parameters for your data. So I'm going to be using my extent to be my layer. So I have my sample layer here. Automatically fits this in. If I remove this, changes it. If I fix back, so I can now say, so my output field, so sorry, I say personnel tutorial videos. So I say sample data, then automatically saves as .osm. So I've actually reduced because I know it's going to take a lot of time. It's data intensive. So this runs for some time. So you see, it's running. So download has been successful, you see. So close it, and so if I open back my folder, if I go to where I saved it, tutorial video, you see, so I have this in here automatically. So what I can now do is come back to this same place, say from data, import topology from XML. So you need to understand that the OSM layer is actually saving files in XML. So if you have FME, you can use FME to actually do some translation and probably export it out and do a flattener, so you can have your result out as CSV if you want to. So automatically it exports it as a Specialized database format because of the structure of the data, and it doesn't want redundancies and truncation of some of the field names. So that is that. Then also it's automatically going to create a Specialized connection after it has done the import. So let me do that right now. Voila, here we go. So automatically it has imported it. So if I close this, you you can still see your specialized data. So this is our database. You see the format here, database file. Then the next thing you do is say you now want to export your topology to specialized. So automatically you see your type of data that you want to actually export from OSM nodes. You have open ways, those are your polylines. You have polygons, that are closed ways. So first thing, let us connect to our data. So we have this here. Then so if you want to pick all of the point features, so say you want point features in Kano, so let's load. You have all of this. So it's pretty much. So let's say what we want is this. We can reload it. Then we have all of this again. So let's say we want this, we can load it too. Then you have all of that. So but let's start with this. So let me reload. So let me say amenity, type is health facility, amenity natural. Then probably find something else, so based on what you want. So let me pick, okay, I think I'm fine with this. All right, so let me just run this. Let me run with this. So I can change the name here, say point. Okay, so let us run with point. So for each of them that I've selected, I can set it to not null, but depending on if you are selecting one, it's best for you to just set it to not null. So if I say okay, it's gonna feed. Oh, beautiful. So now if I close this, I have my point layers for Kano, you see. So that is it. So if I open my attribute table, you see what it shows me is this. So if I want to filter, you see for natural, it tells me where I have woods and all of that. So let me filter. So I'll filter this, filter amenity, not, okay, so not beautiful. You see, so if amenity not null, so I can create different visualizations for it. So I want to make it under a category. So amenity, classify. Ooh, so you have much. So let me say what I want to see. I want to see fuel, fire station, fast food, bank, bus station, courthouse, drinking place, university, or school. Say, so you have more of banks, so hospitals. So you can use your identifier to know, to confirm. So I click this again. I know this is an hospital. So you see, so for your health research, you can easily make use of data here. Health facilities, all from OSM. You see, so let's try to import road layer. So in my next tutorial video, I'll be importing road layers so I can show you, but it's still the same way. You can work around that. So thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it. It's your boy Ayodele Adeyemo from eHealth Africa. Thanks.